first morning in Lima. We're going south from our hotel to find suitable coastal habitat.
If you're going direct, you finish in the south of Chile. The last point of the continent, Punta Arenas.
Punta Arenas, I've been there. Still the city is going and going. It's amazing how big it is.
Our first stop, Tignes. Going over to Puerto Viejo.
Good spot, John.
In this trip, only possible this could and the
Where? Oh, because California.
Somebody with a big family.
yeah. A lot of friends.
Indian dog, pre-Inca. Inca time.
Red-legged cormorant.
Yes,
Oh,
but
this is
there's
the
also
red
this
lens,
other.
right?
I doubt if it's the same.
Probably not.
Because of that schism.
We're up early this morning and climbing the Andes.
Yeah.
Sandy's asleep. Big mining operation here.
Looks like sulfur.
We're getting up there.
Yes, Sierra Finch. We should see more of those.
Acá vamos a desayunar, pero un ratito voy a ir a conocer.
This is all being Rufus-bellied seed snipe calling up there.
Are they eating moss or?
Oh, he's still there.
The magma's up toward the top of the.
Oh my God, that is a beautiful.
Had that.
We got white.
There's no sexism here. Women are down in there with the men.
Look at this altitude. Can you imagine having to shovel?
This is good coming out. Here's a village. How about
Kids in uniform.
Oh, look at the babies.
Get the shepherds in there.
Look at the little babies.
Oh my.
Not really.
In South Africa, we went in.
What do you think they might be growing over there?
Really crispy.
This is the bird. Branches are still in there.
You like that tape recording?
Black-chested buzzard eagle. Hummingbird heaven.
They're cool.
Indian swift.
White forehead.
No.
Get some footage there.
Going north out of Lima.
But this is so. Well, John says the driest place on
The
earth.
ocean's over here on the left, a little green on the desert. Probably from the ocean mist. It's pretty misty up here.
It's the only
might not read.
Second, I'll get my cameras out of the way.
That's all right. A scenic in here.
I can see him moving around up there, but I can't see him.
There was one behind.
Yeah, there was two of them. After he's looking at you.
Buzzard eagle.
There's two large birds up there.
What's the little bird?
Somebody's mobbing him.
Kestrel.
Maybe it's a paragraph.
Who's that?
It's a kestrel.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You see it, Rick?
I see him mobbing him.
Yeah.
Pretty common. Okay,
Giving up, is
Danielle
he?
wants us to go somewhere.
Yes, it is quite something.
Look at that with those green,
I like that.
green little dabs. Well, Connie's got shot. I mean, they've taken away even the cookies. Those
no Oreos.
little, not Oreos.
Oh yeah.
Looking at the Pan American Highway. Yeah, we're on the Pan American Highway.
Not a one
What
to
are we
eat.
doing, Rick? Are we taking embarrassing pictures?
You're crossing the Rio Seco.
No. We're taking Connie cramming for an exam.
It's a gravel pit.
An earth removal project that would review.
Oh, there's some ducks over there.
Yeah.
I can get out of his way.
You better damn well get out of my way.
With the red tail.
Yeah.
Huh?
Needs a little focus. They got their heads down. There you go.
Which guy is that?
Oh, it's a tropical.
Many colored rush tyrant. You guys are really racking them up.
Prettiest white tattoo you ever saw in your life.
Yeah, really.
That's the wren-like rushbird that just sang. He thinks he's a marsh wren. He acts like a marsh wren. He sounds like a marsh wren, but he's not a marsh
But
wren.
it's not a marsh.
Do you see the
He's an oven bird.
Yeah.
make sure you take all your personal items with you.
This is our new fine bus.
This is pretty funny.
And I am so happy with this bus.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas tardes con todos.
The old Temple of the Sun.
Building up a
The
few
white
blocks
building.
straight up
Yeah.
ahead.
There's our new bus. Isn't it gorgeous?
You know what? I think there's a lot of dead yucky. Go ahead.
Inca terraces for agriculture. Urubamba and the Urubamba River.
Hang in there for a little while, Rick, because we got some colorful folks coming up here.
Look in your lunchbox. There's water there. I know, but it's warm.
She's carrying her baby in the basket in the back.
Could be, but you know, I don't think you'd try it on your own.
Storage granary.
Mail.
Condor.
It's in the clouds. It's got him up.
Yeah, now it's against the white cloud. Just above. White above the wing.
Does that mean he's a male?
Male. White pole.
The female is black.
The old man of the mountains.
Yeah. Yes.
All the same? Okay.
This is our lovely innkeeper. My room is in this building right here. My little garden.
Twice to look for it. You had to walk down a dike.
There's Mount Veronica.
Fly, you bug, I'm gonna get you. Fly, you bug, I'm gonna get you.
Down there where the light is. Just before.
It's snow.
Chile, between Chile, Aconcagua.
This is where we had lunch the other day.
Here is another spine tail closer.
Looking for the giant hummingbird. Male giant hummingbird. Blackback grosbeak. Carolyn says that's Mordor.
Thank you for your breakfast and for traveling.
15 to 20 years ago.
We're moving.
Greg and I have been sitting here talking about what fun it is to be on adventures.
Town from Machu Picchu goes right along it.
Where are the tornadoes today?
Actually, not big.
Su atención, por favor. Estaremos descendiendo del coche por la puerta del lado izquierdo.
Off to Machu Picchu.
You see, if you put your binoculars on it, you'll see the steps. Oh yeah.
This is the cloud forest. Okay? We are very, very close to the jungle, and also by the other side, crossing those mountains, that's the Andes. So this place was very strategic. Even in Inca's time, this place, they built this city in a transition area where they could get some another products from both sides.
What's the name of the peak?
So this was kind of a secure hideaway in case they needed
There are
to.
different versions.
Area.
Yeah.
This is the main entrance to the urban part.
Long ago and far away.
In order to observe very well nature, this remote astronomical.
Male and female torrent duck. That's the male. He is a show.
Come on, guys, get together. Ooh, he's flying.
You wouldn't believe it, John, if I told you I got that whole flight.
He's up on another rock up here.
He's going to go around. He's climbing up the side of the rock. She just jumped in. She's going the other way now.
There's the baby.
That's a handsome picture. Wide angle.
Say nothing, that would be good.
Our leader,
We all know that you would rather have
Mrs. Cornelia Calhoun,
That dark beer.
Alexander Calhoun, better known as Sandy.
Reborn Alexander.
Reborn. Mention it's the reborn.
Reborn.
What you'd expect. Reborn.
How did the process of being
Sandy went
reborn
to the
feel?
animal sacrifice.
Sandy
I want Sarah.
is my old buddy John.
There we are.
And Carolyn Longstrap. This is Ramiro Yabar, our guide, leader,
And mentor.
mentor.
Good. I hope they made it with they don't know they make it with a tea bag.
Avocado and
That's
mango.
avocado.
Papaya or mango?
I'm looking over here. I know. Okay.
Over the farmhouse down there on the right, and then these pre-Inca terraces, also used by the Inca after conquest. Blackbill Shrike Tyrant.
Green bill.
Columbia's
Right
rail.
there going through the water.
Blue bill.
That green bill, isn't it?
And the coot did not appreciate the moorhen. Okay.
More ruins.
Could be.
Two trips to Spain.
Transaction complete.
Terraza normal tiene la ropa, no ya.
No te olvides, déjame un vídeo de subir.
It's an Inca structure, and part of the Inca wall is still here, and then it became a seminary.
It was a convent.
Convent.
But didn't you have some personal connection?
Well, our granddaughter Natalie was here just a few weeks ago with her mother, and her mother's mother, Natalie's great grandmother, worked in archaeology here back in the 30s.
Oh, how neat.
And they were here on a mission to bring back some objects that her grandmother, her great-grandmother had taken out of the archaeological digs, which at that time was considered sort of,
Reasonable.
part of the program. So they came back and they gave them, I believe, to the Gold Museum in Lima and to the university there. So it's all kind of comes together.
That's very personal.
We're having
did you
lunch
order
at the
in
museum.
Looks awesome.
Me too.
Just lovely.
I wonder what this is. Sprig or something.
Sprig is photo. Wait, before you eat, let him get
Yeah,
the
take a
footage.
picture of that.
I bet this is not going to make the final cut.
Luncheon.